2021 we have Kristianinkatu 3 here in Kruunlahja, Helsinki, as Finland. Guess what it's on here. It was more with GSS, but still looks like it could be without indoors.
Yeah.
So still one ride is recommended.
Yeah.
Capacity is 3 persons or 240 grams. It seems like this is maybe from the 1930s or 40s, and then they replaced these doors from a gated one to one without doors, maybe.
Yeah.
It was done in the 1980s. Oh no, it's always been without doors. It still is.
Yeah.
So it's not too bad. 6 spots here, and it's built in 1953, modernized in 2017. There's a number is 5611. And here are the original metal plates as well.
Yeah.
They even preserve it. Alright, stick one right here. It'll be inspected next year, 2022. So actually not a bad interior.
Yeah.
As it's still original, and they just changed the lamp.
Yeah.
And the buttons. It used to be MP4.
Yeah.
But there's of course a lot better elevators in Kruunlahja also.
Yeah.
Like those antique ones, and then those with MP6 motorization or
Yeah.
I wanna get more of those MP6 ones also.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then this will be 70 years old in 2023. That was also a year after the Helsinki Summer Olympics.
Yeah.
I thought this was from the 1930s, of course. It's a bit newer. So, yeah, 52.